you have to remove the strap for the gas tank. It's a 13 millimeter. I have a jack under mine, and also my tank is only at a quarter right now, so that way it's a lot lighter. Now I'm going to cut this hose a little shorter. There we are. Just a clamp. Tighten up the clamp. Watch your eyes. There was a zip tie on it. Okay, now we're gonna fish it off. Do the same thing. I'll use my big flathead to pry it off. This rubber is very soft and rotted. Once I do that, then I'll try to come behind it if I can and pull it. I can't really pull it that hard. The gas tank limits my range of motion. There's a bunch of crap falling down. Turn your head or wear glasses so it doesn't get in your eyes. Now you could actually go under the truck on the other side where I showed you earlier in the video to remove those hose clamps. You could go back there too and just pull it off. You have to crawl under the truck, come behind where the filler hose is, and you have to undo the hose clamps from here because of course the screws are facing this direction. It angles down. That's what I'm gonna do here. Stick it through. I'm gonna slide this side on first. Going under again to push it on. There we are. And this smaller hose here is 19 millimeters inner diameter, in case you're looking for it. That's what I got on my caliper. 19 millimeters inner diameter. Now this hose you can find available online, the filler neck hose. I don't know why you can't find the smaller hose. The only way to get the smaller hose included is if you buy the whole neck. This metal part here, which I don't need, it's here. It's metal, it's not broken, so why waste my money on that crap? But I'm gonna do the math, but I probably spent the same amount of money I would have spent buying this stupid hose and the other hose. Well, Maybe I saved 20 bucks. We'll see. So now you're just gonna, after you loosen up the clamp, now we can try to pull this hose off. I can't really get in here to show you with the camera. It's hard because there's not a lot of room in here. And to get this hose to go in, I had to push the tank out with one hand and then stick my other hand in there and pull it on. And it slid on pretty easy. I should be able to get it off this way. Oh yeah, see how rotten it is? 30 years old. I might have to loosen the clamp some more. See, there it is. It's almost off now. There it is. Okay, we're gonna have to raise the tank some to do that. So I'll just tighten up my ratchet strap, see? Pulls the tank up. Do it some more. There we go. It's on. I'm gonna just get the clamp on and pull some of the length from over here to over there, because you can see I need a little more over there. You have to play with the clamp to get it in. The tank might even be in the way a little bit. I got it in the wrong way. It's supposed to go in like that, but the other way, not this way. I'm not sure if I can get it to go in that way. Be careful that the jack doesn't slide off the tank. I'm gonna try to use my leg to lift the tank up a little bit. There we go. Okay, got the clamp in, just like that. Do the same thing with the other clamp, the other side. The other side will be easier because you got your ratcheting strap holding it in.